In this video, we'll show you how to install Alpena's LED HiLitz kit. You'll need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure that you have all your parts. Before assembly, make sure the installation of your LED HiLitz HD will not interfere with turn signals, parking sensors, or airbag sensors. Before we begin, disconnect your battery's negative terminal or ground connection, followed by the battery's positive terminal. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connecting with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. Attach a spade or ring terminal to the black ground wire on your LED HiLitz and crimp it with the wire crimpers for a secure connection. Now, attach the positive wire to a 12-volt DC fused power source, such as your cabin light, running lights, or preferred 12-volt source that'll work with this application. Plan where you'd like to mount the lights. Use soap and hot water to clean the surface area before mounting. Be sure to avoid using acetone cleaning products, as they do not work as efficiently as soap and water and may leave residue. Test fit into the mounting area, ensuring the wiring is long enough. Place the 3M double-sided tape to the lights. Carefully peel the 3M tape and gently press into place. Based on where you need to mount your lights, you may need to extend your power wires. If so, you'll need 18 to 22 gauge extension wire, butt splice crimp connectors, and a set of crimpers with wire stripping capabilities. Measure the length needed and cut. Find your positive and negative ends of the lights and extension wires. Grab 2 butt splice crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the first light. Now crimp to the positive and negative wires of the extension wires. In order for both lights to work at the same time, you will need to connect both lights' positive wires to the same 12-volt power source. If a splice connector is not used, ensure the mating of the wires is clean and appropriately covered. Next, secure your black ground wire to an appropriate, clean location, such as a chassis ground point. Reconnect the positive terminal on your battery, followed by the battery's negative terminal or ground connection. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connecting with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. Use cable ties to tidy up any excess wiring, trimming any excess cable ties to avoid future injury. Note, we recommend allowing the 3M stripping to cure for approximately 24 hours to allow for proper adhesion to the surface. Your LED HiLitz are now ready for use.